All right. And then someone share Ashtown TV. So then it's on a Sunday, every Sunday. And then boys talk. Boys talk. No boys share and commodity and your mind. And that's what we discuss. So there's a new show, every show coming to your channels each and every Sunday. And this is Ashtown TV. And see, they will catch on and say just subscribe, press that red button there, subscribe, and put notification bell as well. Type on the notification bell so that anytime we are uploading video, no just get a notification. Interesting chats and it has a no rules. Until you know what you want to talk about, no going candy.
Say nearby and say you kind of type of bar.
You do my uncle.
You do my uncle. Boys share and you might be brave. Namisem crack, Sikasem, Amunia, waiting you gain Amunia. You will be a demand come also caca. So just as
now say,
the demand come also caca. Yeah, it's just as a my share. There be now got a method.
When having cats or Sylvia, my antipony.
Okay, until demand come up so caca. And see, just as a girls, Mushia. Moody boy was one come up, boy, Ben, boy, wait, let's say she and Cassapa. Intineno, Jack. The name what a man commanded to be a shady baby. Oh, my lady, the type of girl. Okay, maybe dear. Sunday about to Muti. Automatically to Mutia.
Automatically qualified.
What is it? About you make up, Miss Anna, my name, only inside a man's way. I know money their doors, but oh, Babel now.
Master Monopoly say, or back or corner, and I see an abbe problem. Was it me? I never come to say, who did it fair girl? If I say, or Pia now about thing. We have papa rantier so I did a penny, I did a penny. And causes like to do something. I did a penny. It's your one hour as a matter. Ubia Huna say, or Bashan a better to me a possible. It's a mam's slow Marco. We are getting a ninja.
What's a knock? Not just
oh, thank you. Take one way.
Only point. Only point in the idea. Hey, Jamanco, you throw your yes. Looking at what you when you mention what's in it. What is it? My brother okay, that's the other is on them. Me, I say, she will move for only them. Minifim, the best of the crowd life. Them, my dear. So they draw back for me, check or because of Sanema. Naturally, made me pay. But I see me the two back call. So you're gone. Some man go up, break them, crowd, PM. The things, Nina say, and I cannot show you where you're living. A man was saying, ye me back. Who bet me the two back or show you where you are. Hey, my Bill Gates in Shano man elect. Or man car, or man. And you and that is the thing. Do hey, what assignment to make sure
listen, and common one. What approach? We first approach and no crime you only papa. We put to me call. One chance on no crime papa only cast to review. My guy, you are fucking up. Okay, can't say me. Until someone who said, oh, but to me, a baby, and say, we are going to be a baby, be a free. It's the very moment when you be a man, who could see you get as a you get man and left time, my guy. When you wish you talking about my cousin, and no matter sound, God, we are sound. Sure. A money be on my hands and there's a sign in two different ways. A money be on my Omodo Martin, Omodo ways can be shots. On the scanner or anything about you. We do our for honor open. But Obako and no Bako could be a or baby on a man who see the other side of a man who say they are all turning into career women. Obia Obi pay in San Juma, Obi so school, Obi said the baby could be obeying boy you already. He says, what's the year generation here? Most of a man and your ma
Ubuzana kan say me kwa me pet be my tata discuss me ade.
Yeah, sure.
Boa sa for no boa o de mo be je papa.
Obeje but on tata.
But obeso
so be on
na
koto Mongolian hair. Koto Brazilian hair. Mami see, so na see. It's what here say so no big date here. And yes only date no. Or responsibility na how the bed. Enti sa fear no. But boys need this room because one omun say omuntimi must can no work.
Correct.
But in Ghana is babe a man the greater percent of a man in Pisca.
See, me as an American is a proverb say short saying for a long experience on what I say.
Short saying for a long experience.
For a long experience and that's for a long experience.
A short saying
from a long experience or from
so cast them over as because you see ya.
When you say what is best,
the catcher was say,
what can I say? Bia,
you're waiting now.
What I say? From long experience and now from long experience.
A proverb is a short.
No, what the fuck guys define it?
Oh,
now so I have what to say. Let you go out.
Girls, fair girls are my woman now. Me from me side no. My fair girl be my honey biara. Ni relationship possible. What that problems. And the cause near the girl. What you say?
I mean, casting.
And I'm a castle. Me and Casa de. My experience
girl could be no yeah, sure. Baby, you know, but so over feel well. In the date na edit who did you about it or the one not so keke and na say o don na one in meeting and na say we fit girl no hoe ofe na so o don na ma mu so girl so o don na so you say that girl so better and my girl no anya bad girl so they will beat ma ko ju video pro.
That is the key.
Na oni mi say me ma oni
oh yeah
ma ko ja obi obi ya be girl ko ja obi e na ko akotena
na me cry
la cry my bibiri
enti enkoye say wo girl na wo don any will be fufura beko
there be me
akọ dance and one be
na what is na
there me pa
ko jo bia bro kwa best
there me pa say nipa no odowa obeko extra mile to even get
something for you what else
obeko extra mile to get you money she getting you money no guy be no abeko akoma the beans we guy ma beans akofi no ka jo say fa kokra sure sure say you be that oh ase ma ka share you ka o dey ka share of won dey be da oh me me wo tire wonye me go da jai do ka no me nye da what no mama feel no be 50 mama 50 cedis oh I free fana be be na come na je be o be 50 now dey call what
abekwa onye ne
what dey go say
ko fi that and no na zo person chem so onye gentleman
me tie so
usika say mo don onye gentle
me dey gentle say ye ko bo Ghana for ko bo say ye fa ye ma ye
dey chinya ne edge
MTN for quick loan ye twa interest na manya no ho what can I make at you interest no
like the 50 cities over charge in the back
before get never back in kind get never back be ye we no ultimate fan to say o dey ba na dey tell me I can money but you have to show your interest when you find girl manage your I wonder why you do what you want to do that's what I'm going to say there are few guys right now that say oh girl no see when you find an obeji scanner oh media man
champion tactician
okay
how to get into the advance
viewers on say I am more interested na see I person very interactive see the numbers be good as here no numbers na good as here no test it your next topic I person discuss it test it brain say the be a bit my discuss it topic of your own interest what I say to be a better discuss we before but you need what dream do also a topic go on ma be share no boys so din komo and that's your background topic go up say discuss here we can also do that and Jan what they also the on for
let it be say we be my
no
fee me mama baby fee na o girlfriend ya una and dey me capital crowd oh me kura sa o be kura nye say okay and I'm frɛ madam for being check you no ko frɛ wo na wo ga be frɛ me free fa say a free fa say this we ya be show wo di me
say wo berry
say me no wo be na we be show
but the question
again ko frɛ ni
the question is
what you say
should you take anything or take anything in kind?
No, you
at the end of the day if you give somebody something.
No, you shouldn't. But you can't manage it. Just today, Castro, one a girl will come to you. What this kind of man? Oh, Kwame Kwame Kwajin how 1 million was him and 2 and I'm going to choose.
Oh, that other than Kwame. What do you consider Kwame?
Kwame Kwame Kwajin.
At least you put me on my name. Minimum, no one take the minimum. So be anyone.
Oh, that's I don't know.
I never got up.
Thank you.
Good. So they say how they also Bangkok or
man in Chino, when in Chino for a reason. I said when in Joe reason they said for Marco Kwame woman in a woman of course say or relationship breakdown. Near ABCBI or Makoye say Wakoyesa and I mean Kasana, but the Biabonum. Fabium.
Okay, so Kwame, Tiger.
Meme na nkasa ne de oba no oyekoko oyetuntumu many problem. But the key thing is also ya krabone pa once am de pa be so yes
akrabone o ka akrabone and say
me be chirim once ye won kwara ne bi wo ha ma ne bi wo ha omo ye antenkwara me ka antenkwara omunnim how omunnim mema needs me ka mema needs I was who dey make am say let me see oba
na me tie dey bia me ba for the sake of
me say me girl no na se wunye obi a wunnim ade e friend twerking pa masa twa Empo asem. Mefochi, yes, mefochi. That is the deal. Yeah.
That's him now account. They be going to say
oh, could fit. Okay, I deny no clear free to.
I don't so bad. So you
be any na o get etweki that came my bad o get etweki. No about was of the 50 cities. Na o could na the tweet etweki ko. Mr. Cover. Oh yes, on my country, but you are a very good.
What I say? Nice or proud. I'm there now. Oh, okay, fine.
We taste the very taste.
I don't mean tasting a taste will be happy. Come on, go feed me. And I want a bag.
Set or sweet to set tinting city.
Shapeless.
Oh, shapeless. As I'm here. Could be ballistic. I was so flat on me. What I say, contour on your friend be contour. So don't contour. Correct. Yes, I contour. I go to Babana. I was about we want to see a flat.
I said, what princess
good. And I'm in pet wedding. We are banner to wedding. Tiger, me say me no can download. What wedding? Shut. I'm packed by Batoni keep on.
Boy near.
Okay, so this is getting more.
As I'm not making me get 12 minutes.
Yeah, as them we your castle. What type of pearl bar won't let now walk at it. Kwame na onya na wale. Ma me nye obi o bad. Me nye obi o
if you want to get someone who is bad, just go to the bad yard. Me nye obi o bad.
So o person catch there say. In the one
so she obi o bad that way.
O ko hin fa.
Oh. Asemu. You pa de ohun. Uhun so e bad dia. Uhun is.
Oza was our eyes no.
Yes, me were mom inside. What I say, yes. Into the way our ban how and pana carry no nantie ne dressing be crown want to cry radio on shed them or yanti akwara. Ubit on shed them ubit na kwahye ho na say bro mo so amapi. So what I say.
Nenya na bro so a.
Ubit mi na wo hu na bonte na wonye no. Ubit mi na kwahye ho. Na ohwa na bro so a. I'm happy.
Oh, you're bad. You're a baddest.
What I say, me about this.
I don't go for Gomriga.
I say, I bet my mama. What's it?
Oh, but you see, the type of woman as near can. Yeah, can say, woman are women are better than us. And
you see, Master, send me a house.
Oh, okay.
What's all looking at me? I say, once. Really, I know how I find out.
Are you saying?
Sanke say one ye ba type of woman a wonya ba warana.
Hey, and be pay.
Me dey kasa you
polinodo type.
Ana ka kana se we dia me ba ma no.
Ka ba mama can
That's one thing you say.
Wow.
One thing you say, sometimes you never know who you are going to marry.
Oh sure.
Oh yeah, that's one.
Sometimes
I mean dey be am bomb pies na ko pon ma ba. Ma kuma nyanko pon no na ba kuma na ma me. Oni ma kuma cry kuta me. Me oba dwamanfo ba. Dwamanfo ba se oba obedri me yie. Enye de o de ngade. He oba so so. Akra bone na nti ono na akra bone na abeda otse ba nchi bia. Da bi so de nyina enyimi. Ejimi ya sha atare esikrum. E gentle. Amen kwa na mbedo. Ngwa nti me ye no. Enyina enye.
Yeah.
Yes, in the madman. Kasa fafa na dia fa ni bi hia wo. Ah.
Sisi ana me kasa me type na dia. Nya tuntum bia wo. Nice.
Me dear, me I put you to say. How about you?
Oh, when type of you suro. When type of me so ye kokko. Me
kokko.
Enya se bi ti akebe to ma bom gi din wo ha but asim bi nti. But any pentu a man for the babu problem. Me mo gi din wo. Any via unduru fi. Ara unduru fi. Medru fi. Let maka. Bonidi. So medru fi. Yeah, there say. E DARE. Me say your friend say wa. Oh, but say wa for the 80. Bonidi na.
Oh, nice.
Bonidi na.
Boy say what brow.
Go fi your friend say wa me dey meet my can. I say say wa who say me ti ase ka say your friend me go say wa mo ni ho say wa ni say wa na tiger can go ni. Ono ferradi nti on pese bia go ne to ase. Your friend dey
Aye. Oh me uncle. And is them bro baba. Okay. Enti ma o me uncle. E be say chen. E be re e be your phone. Na be your phone is me ma. Unless we have that plaster.
Yeah, plaster.
Aha. But one other thing is see now what a kind of wow pen. Why do we do multiple dating?
One thing is a man kasamo oko get to we get to phone better as an American as your friend be take a man take and a man so go no said your casting pa phone sa oba nipa nti the very moment so oba ho ba phone be man and the man dey teaching cheating ba. What I say? Mama can my day. I said, no, you know, I teach back. One thing is, said that I can say, any palm phone. And say, any palm phone. Even an 4 crown, my mammy crown. Use about could move to phone on half a day, but could be mooning and singing and what Ben home part old time friend. Yeah, that is it. And only a man cheating here. But then, phone sure. But then, say, walk up open the panel. It depends on your mindset. So I set your mind any power see whether good or bad. I'm dying with that person. My mind, what I say. Says, perception in a bar. And it generally no so command be from the beginning no and be man say my family and chia be man headache aba and what I say so oban before chia general command starting mudi be man before oban chia general command starting mudi ko ba say mudi nkomo baby Jack vibes in the feel vibes in the doubt sa keke and I say you get down on something then you guys you do something to yourselves and I say from there, no move friend say boyfriend and girlfriend and that thing it wouldn't last. What I say, but there was some near some simple or almost start. I moved in coma, Brabum come say, Bema will be what I go do as as soon as I Bema started on any come on and say, Bema will do or future money.
Okay. So we just say Tina treaty, we are sending message. I say, oh no, dear, you'll be more banner, baby, our dress it. Come on. You mostly see ladies dressed nicely, neatly presentable, but after you hook up with her, she starts changing her dressing. Maybe you got in tune with her because of the way she dresses and presents herself, but now she's not doing that anymore. So this can make you also cheat. No credit.
Say even a diary will crown. Say a boys' school. Don't think I say, Master, I had a money how a man and my daddy. It is a man Hannasi and Daria, Yawa Yam Pie. In so bound a sport to not be and be attracted to Obama. I don't know you are seeing a Beman when you be. It's actually dressing or dress at your home. Yes, why are
you dressed to keep your man?
Oh, anything a man you lose some moment. Some me say, why you bad the crowd? Or dress in the members or dress in the bad. Or dress in the members. I be a baby, a penna. It's why any sir, and I saw any sir, anything to my mentor. Now me talk with you. Nay, yes, sir. Cheat. We are going to cheat on you.
Could you also show anything?
Amen. Yes. Ella, a man, a problem. The last time I share one should do a TV so no more discuss about a man or a personal hygiene. Oh yeah. On the most serious note, Charlie. Don't even confirm about my fee. It may be upon. Oh, not as a would you read the spirit? Never. Coffee. What is it?
What kind of
do them more? Put the bee ban fee free for when you might say the same. Was all would you use your own use? I'm going to grow a bit more into a piaba. Why?
Come grab it though.
Say to them.
Come grab it though.
You find someone that you really want, but on one cousin keeping her okay, Emma or my own say she was the one that you were looking for. Sure. Walk out, this is the type of girl. Paint mama, coffee. Walk nice girl. Kiki. Me that's all cause pair or more me make up me. You do them on that. Oh, that me yeah you be come back to Wabana. Me get away. Oh, the most of them they are their own. And yes, we are coming. Yes, we are coming.
Okay, in what sense?
In what sense? On say, see it. Make a man to Okase, open to automatically or qualify. Say, any man to never open your worry. I say, almost Dawson. And I say, you don't win. Near one of Hona, a man when you gin on. Who beats me on near one of the bed 3 times over of the girl. Every one near J. I'm not hash, because I have some shit. And I was looked at and say, we to do Lugazo, they are qualified. Out here, say, internet also come on, man. Yes, you see a problem, maybe. But cheating and tragedy. A part of men
and a part of ladies.
Most of the times it depends on man. Say, we to quality other qualities be or come you have a good heart. Not yet, yeah. So you was said there as a bar. Now, what's not moving money, there maybe some. Now, baby, so bar way. There's no way I'm a furniture. I will share mamma who ye fair. We will tune to ma, or Ubi will be a little to need that some more. The new ma fair, the BBA also more than the other order. Yet, well cheated. It's me who said you all cannot be no credit, but I'm switching a man on the air. How I will keep the relationship.
Sure, that's true. That is your mindset.
You will girl do a while. Obey winning now. I'm gonna catch you. Obey Bibia. Come on. Oh, go, boy. Oh, Bibia is about the guy. Still, be man be cheating.
And I may come.
And now we are there. Bibi will get to a friend say, take a key.
And then was a big
key. A bar at the sport.
I was all satisfied.
Wash how. That really, yet to be funny, that. And you who get there say, yes, what they got I eat 3 times. Now, again, the cream say, well, we put 3 times now I can. You must say ah, the 3 times now only get in here na. But just say no wabo. And 3 times no here. And 3 times first day wabo or no. Second day wabo or no. Third day. That's all. Chase. And you take.
No.
Who take it by now?
I mean so what go for. Be ade ba kon so say e mema we. So we sika. Me life we use sika sin tan. Ade ba ko pe and anka. And paboa. And what I say, we use sika for paboa.
And when did you home?
Aside in paboa. No baba. Be metis minim so bi beka say akwa no beka so pe nyame asem nyame asem no wo ho eno de any baby and key yes but me no sika empaboa oba what did I make can say na oba no which is the third thing ebitimi ama saa me sika na make asa me pe no ebe double as me obeboa me manya bebiri ana say obebo me from kra.
Yeah,
what I say. And I'm in Pabua, no son, I may penal. Every time I saw my young Pabua about but to beat him so many baby, a man made to me will be a bow in a lack.
Yeah,
what I say. Indeed, sometimes meet my sanity. Yeah, sometimes meet my boys, no. Say, do it be a bit many out choice, beat me at your pay. But meet many at any pay dinner chino, but you need dinner chino. What I say. I'm what into no median car. You're sweet, you. Because na same crown, me na me tete same crown say a man is there before. Let me keep there before.
All these things we are going to talk about them some days to come or some days to come. Topics need to be breeded or how to my be. The next topic will be how to keep a man. How to keep a man. And no say start up here yes truly for the ladies. Sure.
How to keep us. How to keep
say how
different breeds. How to twerk, how to tease our best say entire basa be a bit teasing me. How to tease me. How to do the logoligi when we get inside there that logoligi thing they hear me how to do I'm correct. Why you not correct here? Cheat.
So you see, our next topic is going to be how to keep your mind, and that we are going to represent men or like the youth or the guys or the young men, and so we are going to give you all the support you need, all the good things you need. So keep your comments coming and your topics coming. Just take the number down there and then send your comments. And then send your preferred topics to be discussed to us, and we shall surely do justice to it. I mean, I think our time is fast spent. Sure. And then, would you want to give 1 or 2 shout outs?
Yeah. I would like to say this to all Stars Africa members. I'm saying that in the next 2 weeks you will meet in Botanical Gardens in and I say we new person and I say we be our Stars Africa when I saw person become one. You just talk to me and we know how to move from there.
Yes, and then the next time we come, the next time on our show, we talk a little bit about Stars Africa.
I feel it far. Oh. Darling, I have this project upcoming. Nice video wonderful show done. But before that, the very freestyle. That's a million cool. That was a mountain and catch it. If I'm here booking hats, you want to mountain. Big ups to each and everybody who's feeling free for music. Thank you.
Now before then, so on Saturday, you be release your gospel. This is a Rasta gospel. No, I feel know that every get to you to know if you jump on this track and make jang and stank in our
gospel.
Alright, so that's the view. So same time next week on Sunday, we are going to release our next video where we are going to talk about how to keep your man. So God bless you for watching. Just pick the number and let's communicate. See you. Bye bye.
Boom.